Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to switch to a Pinterest business account. If you guys are having trouble with not being able to switch from your private account to a business account, now I'll be teaching you guys some steps to help you do it. So first of all, open your Pinterest app and then click to your profile. Now click to your profile again and then click on edit profile. Now go to your settings and go to account management. Now convert to personal account. If your account is not in personal account, then you'll be seeing the option of convert to business account. Just click to convert to business account and then your account will be converted to your business account. I hope this video helped you guys on how to convert your account from business to your private to business. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.